Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Liquid Ocelot. I'm sorry, this is Revolver Ocelot, not Liquid Ocelot. I have changed my name, my friends, from Liquid Ocelot to Revolver Ocelot. As you can see on my YouTube channel, the name has been changed, my friends. And today I'm going to show you my December 2023 earnings on YouTube. So let's dive into it, my friends. Go to December, and as it's holiday season, my friends, the earnings are pretty well good, my friends. It's taking some time. Views aren't that much, my friends. They say that 34% less than October to November 30th, last 30 days, and 5.4 thousand views, 88,000 almost hours watch time, and $21.87. So an increase of $7.87, my friends. Let's see the December highest performing videos. 9.23 on how to upgrade headquarters to HQ level 28 in state of survival, and then the usual stuff: how to view Google Discover on PC, how to upgrade headquarters, stuff like that, my friends. Let's see the traffic. The traffic source is very important. I usually show these things to you. External traffic sources. I haven't been doing any marketing on Reddit this month of December. In the month of December, I haven't been doing any marketing on Reddit like last month. If you can see, the Reddit views are only 63 views, but the view duration is very good, my friends. Over 1 minute long. Google search traffic, as expected, almost 1800 views. Pinterest, it's something I don't like because the view duration is too low, my friends. And then on the medium one, which is crucial for me, my friends, I haven't been promoting that many videos on medium, my friend, but still the view duration is massive, 1.32. Yandex and Publishox is here as well, my friends, and the view duration is very good over there as well. And WhatsApp, just 1-2 views from WhatsApp and stuff like that. I haven't been promoting XDA forums. I posted a video over there very long time ago, 5-6 years ago, and it says 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's see the search traffic, my friends. YouTube search traffic. It's taking too long. 2,200 views almost. Activision support, Reddit versus Discord, Game Blue, Fortnite, Red Alert 3, how to play online. This has been doing really well. Some of the YouTube short videos are doing well. So my friends, this was my earning report for December 2023 for YouTube, and the total amount is $21.87. Thanks to the being advertiser friendly in this month because of the holiday season and New Year. Thanks for watching. More videos coming right up, my friends. Take care.